You're welcome. Welcome, oh.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Wish you the same.
Thank you. Thank you.
We should guess.
Prof,
Mr. Landlord.
this professor that is making me sick, I don't even understand you. Well, that's by the way. Is it that you wear only one shoe?
This is Italia Pereira.
Italian?
Pereira, Google it.
I should Google it.
Exactly.
It's alright. That's by the way. I thought you guys had to give you my new year resolution. Like, number one, what I will not take from any of you in this compound, even if I see new tenant again now, is by going out to come back late. Yes. Because this gate will be open by 6 a.m. and close as early as 6 p.m. in the evening.
Hey! Let us go!
Mr. Landlord, has he become a comedian lately? This is hilarious.
Landlord, if you want to talk to me directly.
Okay.
I bet tell him.
Go through the corner.
Okay, I'm going through the corners in my house.
Yes.
I'm going through the corners to give you updates.
It's not possible.
Landlord, seriously, that one will not work.
You know me work. I'm giving you my update for the new year. You're telling me that one will not work. I'm giving you instruction. You're telling me it will not work. Do you have a land in your village?
Any other thing?
Yes, I'm not done.
Continue.
Okay. Number two. If you want to enter this compound with a woman or you bachelors that refuse to have one particular girl to marry, if you want to come in with different women, first of all, you bring the woman close to me, come and register her. So that I'll not say yes, so this person they follow. You register. Make her see her eyeball to eyeball.
Mr. Landlord.
Yes.
I've become a comedian lately.
Yeah.
Bro, they didn't even follow you talk, sir, because I know.
Yeah, if you get it, if you don't get it, forget about it. Prof, it's true. This matter, you don't get hand. Because since I come this compound for 3 months now, I never see you bring woman. Or I know that you don't lalo.
Because of my capacity of IQ, they can't comprehend it.
That's by the way. And thirdly, do you know that during the Christmas period, I cook native fowl? Yes, native fowl. But you, no, this one here, you kill cow and you are sharing it. Burial cow. Abi, you dey share and dey show everybody. You are not there around. Maybe this house, I'm not there around. That's why you not give me. That's your own. And you pom pom, pino, you were eating up and down. Because you kill Orobo chicken. Me, I kill native fowl.
Oh, you did?
You dey eat. You go from one fence to another. Now you dey waka, they eat your food. You no fit stay inside your apartment, abi?
I pay you rent now. What's in they paying you for this matter?
Wetin dey pay me for this matter? You kill goat. You kill goat. They chop am. They show yourself. But you drink anyhow. Carry Okay, now see. The final point. Since you guys, you have money. Because of the economy, number one, I cook native fowl. Now they stay for my house. I don't notice and say, una get money, una show una self for last year. So this year, for that fact say una fit get money to buy cow, buy goat, they drink, they eat Orobo chicken for outside, no they stay one place. I've increased the rent to 100%. So from next month ending, I'll be knocking each flat to pay your rent.
It's a comedian.
I confirm to it now. You are not becoming a. Okay, Lord. This last one I know the inside because na 3 months I don't spend. So the rent when they increase now for them. I know they. So landlord.
Not be juju be that.
But you there for this one of us now.
When I increase rent for everybody.
Want to please others and displease yourself. And they never leave.
Mr. Landlord, I think the next thing for you to do now is to...
Okay, I should leave my house and go to my village.
Mr. Landlord.
Yes.
Please, when you're having your comedy show, please invite me. I would love to see you crack them. You're very hilarious. Wonderful. Comedian.
Yes?
Clean your mouth.
I should clean my mouth.
Something they clean up.
Okay, something is in my mouth. You are seeing something.
See, if you come knock my apartment, the auto that will pour for you.
Look at this one. You are calling me a thief. This one, she nothing make am to even build house for our village. You can never make it. With your small yansh, you are telling me that my mouth, there is something there inside my mouth. Or something in my mouth, make I clean my mouth. Make I clean my mouth like this. Rubbish girl. Okay, because you eat Orobo chicken for my compound. If you say you don't make am, you will not make it because you are rude. You are very, very rude, so you will not make it. How dare you? Insult a little landlord. Me you insult. I'll naked swear for you for midnight.
Why are you peeping now? Peeping. Shut up. Why?
Nothing.
You have to strange you. Don't push me now.
Pause there. Just pause there.
Not be juju be that.
This is the reason why I was not pushing you. I just want us to
Pause there. So you want to go inside without telling me, without bringing that to me, when you know that the register is available, when you know that my roster is available.
Okay, don't worry.
Go,
You cannot go.
You are inside already.
I don't
You cannot go.
understand.
Wait,
You want to follow him now, so you go and commit.
wait now. This is my landlord.
You want to follow him, so you go and commit, abi?
Galano, now. This one you're shouting, bringing them to. This is the first one I'm bringing.
Okay, this is the first one you're bringing, so you cannot do the registration. You cannot bring her face to face, one on one, eyeball to me.
So you can't do bonanza for just one
What
face.
bonanza? Am I selling anything? You're laughing at me.
Landlord. We will come and see. We don't want to see you. Next time we will come and
Do it now. Do it now. Okay, you want to follow him inside, so you go and commit.
you.
Come and see him what?
We'll come and see you.
Come and see him now. It should bring you now. I have the register. It should bring you now.
It's okay
now.
Go, Shila. What is this one? Hey, I beg. What is all this one? I dey beg you, they claim landlord. Wetin be this? You know the kind house where they stay. Wetin be this? Take your time, oh.
I should take my time for what?
Take your time, oh.
I should take my time for what?
Why you not shouting now? What you dey shout for now? What you gonna shout for? One secret, abi. Go see where.
Run.
They beg you since they crazy. Look at stupid compound with this one. You know where they stay? I mean they crazy, they meant. Take your time, oh. Now myself when they do anyhow. Look at stupid compound with this one.
Where am I going?
Stay there.
Hey now. Where did you bring this witch from?
So someone introduced that to me.
Someone introduced witchcraft to you, Agbero to you. Somebody that is staying at Osho the bus stop. You brought her to this compound.
Galano, thank you.
Thank me. Okay, so you wanted to take her inside to go and commit without doing registration. And look at what if Botu was close to where that girl was now. Do you know what what of that would have happened to our two head?
That's what I'm saying, thank you. Because I was just imagining it when I was doing it. Take this one inside. Do something and
She come first. If you don't cut your head.
this new year.
Hey.
But Galano, go and chase her now. It's your house now.
Which house?
Go now.
Hey. Resort yourself.
Galano, wait now.
Wait for what?
So everybody say Oyi. Say Oyi come.